Exercise 3 and 4. Ready? Start. Sir, freedom of speech is the basis of our democracy, and no one will tolerate any curb on this freedom from any corner. But here, what is to be seen is that who has tried to curb the freedom of speech? Are they those people who are misusing the freedom of speech, or those who may try to keep a reasonable check on those who are misusing this freedom? Sir, every one of us knows that it is the duty of the government to protect the dignity of the individual. If the dignity of an individual is lowered in any way, and we find that the law enacted in this regard is not adequate or powerful to safeguard the dignity of the individual, and is not so framed as it was required to be done. It is the duty of the government to bring a new law. I think that this bill will safeguard the dignity of the individual as well as the social dignity. We can realize that the government of any civilized country will safeguard the right of freedom of speech. The liberty of the individual is subject to social changes. Today, what we see is that some persons or some elements try to impinge upon this liberty in this house, against whom the blackmailers tried to level some false allegations for their own political reasons. Sir, you will agree on this point because as an honorable member, almost every one of us might have passed through that phase. That is why every one of us feels that today a trend of leveling allegations against anyone has developed, and it is not the duty of the person to give facts and figures to prove the allegation. After making allegations, he stands all apart. Proof of innocence is the onus on that person against whom allegations have been made, even if they are false. It is not the duty of that person who has made allegations and who thinks himself to be the champion of the rights of freedom to prove that the allegations leveled by him are justified. When he is not able to prove his allegation, how can he be kept out of the purview of the law?